Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can get an image URL watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open any type of preferred browser on your personal computer and search for images.google.com. After that, make sure you have signed into your account and the official Google search webpage will be displayed in front of you. Now you just need to search for the image you would like to get the URL of. In my case, I will search for pugs. Once you get to the target image, open it up from the webpage and right-click on it. After that, select Copy Image Address from the submenu to copy the image URL now. If you send this URL to someone and they open it up, they will be able to get to this image directly. So that's basically how you can get an image URL. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.